last one, complete the mission.
Let's do this.
Took a shot at JD while I write this track. I just finished work and I might snap. I'm a slave every day and I'm doing everything just to get a little pay. I'm getting so restless and my mind is getting so reckless. Yes, I know it's fucking bittersweet, but this might be the end of my symphony. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be gone by 23. I'm so fucked up, I need some codeine. Fuck it, I need Xanax, anything to take me off this motherfucking planet. I ain't got no place to be, I ain't got no things to see. Yeah, my mind's a fucking mystery, and I hope you fuckers don't fucking miss me. Yeah, I wanna be free with you, just wanna be free with you. I wanna get away with you, just wanna run away with you. Yeah, how about you roll the zoo? So how about you roll the zoo? I wanna get blazed at you, just wanna take away the pain with you. Yeah, took a shot at JD while I write this track. I'm so offbeat, I am on crack. I'm getting so restless. I wanna be free with you, just wanna be free with you. I wanna run away with you, I wanna run away. So how about you roll the zoo? So how about you roll the zoo? Yeah, I wanna get blazed with you, I wanna take away the pain with you. Yeah, I wanna be free with you, just wanna be free with you. I wanna run away with you, I wanna run away with you. So how about you roll? I can't. How about you roll? Depression is funny. Oh, it's over. A sweet symphony that's life. Try to make ends meet, you're a slave to money, then you die. Cherry Blossom Boy coming soon. That's it. That was meant to be a real song, but fuck it, this is what you get.